Good morning mga ka-share. We're here in our old fishing spot, Serena Beach, over here in Guam. So if you're new here, click share also, and also subscribe. That will help the channel. So click like or hit the notification bell so that you're gonna get notified when I make a new video. So let's get ready mga ka-share, and then I'll see you when I'm ready. Alright, let's rock and roll. I'm ready, let's get it on. So there you go. Alright, so solo fishing tayo mga ka-share, here at Serena Beach, one of my old spot. So if you're new here, it's where you're gonna fish. So if you're fishing over here, you need a fishing permit from the outdoor recreation. So it's only like $12, I think, if I remember it right. Oh, look at that. Pretty. It's only like $12, so for the whole year. So it's not so bad. If you guys wanna get that fishing permit, and you can catch so you can catch anything except for I know like sharks. If you accidentally hook a turtle, you have to release it right away. Also, you cannot catch stingray, as far as I know. And all other else, I know you can catch one. So, not shark, not stingray, not turtles. So make sure you don't catch that one, you don't harvest that one over here. And then you can enjoy fishing, you know, for the whole year for $12. Alright, let's get it on. So we reached our first destination mga ka-share. Later on we're gonna go on that rock and then see we get something on that rock. So hopefully we get lucky today. Alright, let's rock and roll. First cast for luck. No. There's a fish over there, but it didn't even blink. Nope, doesn't like it. I don't know if it's it looks like a bluefin, but maybe a parrotfish, big parrotfish. There's a little fish following. Ooh, waves. Oh no. Alright, let's fix our line. It got crumpled. So no first bite on this, so let's try something else. Let's try a lure. Alright, field test natin to mga ka-share. Let's try this. Let's try this bad boy. Try po natin to mga kasyara. Okay. Ano yung bago pa? Bago tayo sa when I used to light tackle. Yun. There you go. Now we're talking. Okay, let's change spot. Let's go to that rock over there. No bite over there in the first location. First bite mga ka-share. Yeah, got one. Ayos. Hopefully I catch that one on camera. Hey, doubt myself mga ka-share if I can catch something again over here, but now it's confirmed that I can still catch something in Serena Beach. That's a good one, good size fish. I think it's a big eye. It's not bluefin for sure. So hopefully we can catch the brother or the sister or the father of that one. Hopefully there's more. Alright, change po tayo ng bait. Let's change the bait. Let's use lure. Lagay muna natin sa tubig. Kahit lipat tayo ng lugar mga place, mga ka-share. Let's change location. So ayan, no? First catch natin, against the light. Yun. Alright, see if we can get lucky on this side. Not too bad. Sumakit yung likod ko mga ka-share. My back hurt, got pain earlier. So took a little break para we're not gonna hurt ourselves. Okay, let's try over here. See if there's something. Line struggle. Alright, rock and roll. See if there's something hiding in there. Ayoko mawala yung lure ko mga ka-share. Mahal yan. Again over here mga ka-share. Victor Valley. So the first video, the first fish, sad to say I didn't catch. I thought I'm making a video, but apparently the video stopped, so technical difficulty. But hopefully we can catch another one so that we make it interesting fishing session. And hopefully you guys stick around to see if we can catch something. All right. Ating mga kasalo. Lumapit dito. Takot naman tayo. There's a big shark. Black tip shark. I cleaned my fish earlier, that's why it smelled the blood. That makes sense. That make a lot of sense. Shark is coming for my popper, my floater. Dang it, shark, get away. He's carrying all the fish. No? I got a friend. I found a friend shark. That's it mga ka-share. One and only. But it's not so bad. Maybe next time again. It's already 10 o'clock. Alright. So wash up lang tayo ng mga gamit natin. And then we're heading home. Gonna wash up our gear real quick. If you like this video, click that like button, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, till next time. Peace. Peace. Till next time, okay? For the future video. Tiring. Alright, rock and roll.